In 1990, the Willard Brothers began a business that revolutionized the residential production building process in South Florida. Today, that business is part of the BMHC Select Build family by combining the pouring of concrete, the laying of block, the running of beams, the flying of roofs, the sheathing of roofs, and the framing of interiors. The Willard Brothers took the biggest, most complicated parts of residential construction and made it turnkey. Builders eagerly embrace the concept. Select Build has become the largest residential shell contractor in Florida. Today, teams build everything from single-family homes to townhomes and apartments, producing over 7,500 units a year.
Because we've been in it for so long, we've been able to hone our processes and our systems, basically our operating model.
We're just focusing on concrete and block and framing. And we're able to keep a very narrow focus and very controlled atmosphere over the construction process.
Select Build enhances its value to builders by using its vast experience in shell construction to supervise all phases of construction. Select Build combines its construction, architectural, and structural engineering expertise to offer whole house engineering.
We can find the most efficient construction practices commensurate with the required engineering at the start of a project, rather than having to build it as it was drawn and then make the changes along the way.
In other words, Select Build looks at the pieces and makes sure they all line up in advance before construction begins. We build faster, safer, and with lower risk. So, at the end of the day, Select Build produces a higher quality product.
To construct a house, to do everything on time requires a team.
We have a tremendous amount of communication among our employees and between the employees and the owners.
Our teams operate in both support and field modes. They meet regularly to review improvements and solve problems. It ensures there's always an open door for ideas, or if there's a problem, it's addressed quickly. Select Build values your thoughts and experience.
We all think of each other as equals, and we treat each other that way.
Our team philosophy is just supporting one another at all costs.
You have the help of a whole host of people who care about you being successful. This group understands their business, they understand their customer, and they understand their employees intimately.
That's the key to their success, is recognizing the value in people.
Giving them the training, giving them the respect that allows them to be successful at their jobs.
It's just one of the ways Select Build treats you like a professional.
We believe that safety absolutely, positively has to come first on every job site. We spend a lot of time training safety, spend a lot of time focusing on safety, a lot of time inspecting ourselves.
In fact, Select Build sets the standard for safety in the Florida residential construction market.
We're implementing fall protection programs that no one else does. You'll see safety signs on our job site that no one else puts up. You'll see a safety coordinator on our job auditing our project.
Select Build's construction practices have been certified by the National Association of Home Builders.
That's just the start, it's not the finish. Our quality initiatives go much deeper than just having a certification. We ensure quality by defining the standard, training everybody, and then holding ourselves accountable.
A quality assurance director and quality specialists ensure the standard is met. So, what's the standard?
We turn over a defect-free home to the builder with minimal downtime and loss of production.
The goal always being to at least hit the standard, if not raise the standard.
Select Build's quality standards even cover the materials used in construction.
We make our own trusses so that we can bring a better product and a better service to our customers.
Because the builders told us this was a situation that they needed help with. Same thing with stairs.
By bringing stairs as part of the mix, we've enhanced the quality, the total quality of the shell that we deliver to our customer.
It's a shining example of Select Build's philosophy in action, constantly setting the bar higher.
Years ago, we took our processes that had been handed down from project manager to project manager, superintendent to superintendent, and we documented that.
It was all compiled in a training manual created specifically for our company.
It creates a set of standard operating procedures for our employees so they know how to approach their jobs.
Our quality, our safety, and our production all falls right into place.
All training is in-depth because that is how we work. Take customer service, for instance.
You need to be able to put yourself in the other person's shoes if you truly want to know how to treat that customer.
So Select Build trains from a customer standpoint.
We do a lot of repeat business for builders because we try to understand their needs.
Select Build's customer service is all-encompassing. Every person employees interact with is a customer and treated accordingly. So what does it mean to you? Our communication and customer service training will help you become a more effective communicator and develop skills that will enable you to maintain lasting relationships throughout your professional career. Select Build is the place to develop and grow your skills. Want a career? Want to maximize your talents? Become a project manager, construction manager, or even general manager. Select Build pays attention to your goals and puts you on a career path to meet them.
We want to be successful. We want our customer to be successful. If we're going to make our customer successful, we have to make our employees successful.
As an important part of our team, you will be provided with both classroom and hands-on training designed to give you the skills to succeed at every level of your career.
We have programs to emphasize the development of people, the education of people, the growth of people.
As you advance in our company, we offer management training that will strengthen your leadership, communication, and time management skills.
You don't need to have a diploma on the wall. Your career growth is only limited by yourself.
We take pride in promoting from within. Nearly all of our construction management team began as superintendents with our company.
And it's because we believe in growing our people and being there for them.
It's just the right thing to do.
We believe strongly that the shell concept is just hitting its stride.
In the beginning, there were just a handful of employees, and now there are over 500, and it's still growing by about 15% per year.
We have new products that we're offering on a daily basis. We have new segments we're entering. We have new markets we're entering.
And there's a large push right now north into the central and northern parts of the state.
In addition to that, the builders are saying to us, we want you to supply more of the portion of a house than you supply today.
Best of all, we have a partner in our growth, our parent corporation.
BMHC is a well-capitalized, publicly traded company.
We're in many of the most successful geographies of the United States. We intend to be in all the geographies in the future.
As we grow, our employees will have opportunities to grow along with us.
There's a position for you, and if you want it, there's a career.
We want you to retire here.
We're ahead of the competition because we anticipate trends, because we value our customers, because we know about the markets. By having very well-trained employees with an understanding of where the business is going, we end up with a competitive advantage. We are a team. We act like a team.
Working together to achieve our mutual goal.
Do what's right for the customer.
Exceed the expectations.
Do whatever it takes to get it done.
The right way at the right time.
At the end of the day, you or I might be buying that townhome or that house or that apartment. I want to live in something that I know was constructed with quality in mind.
That's the Select Build way.